Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to cover how to install TVS MSP 450 star printer on a computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. In this video, I will show you which driver you will require, where you can download, and how to install it. So please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you just need to right click on that and click on extract to. It will unzip the driver file into a folder. It will create a folder like this. Open up this folder and open up the operating system version which you have. I have Windows 10 64-bit, and you will get the file setup msp 450 star.exe. You need to double click on that and then click on yes if it is asking for permission. Select the model number and click on OK. Click on manual. You need to manually choose the printer port. Scroll down and select USB 001 or 002. If you have a single printer connected to this computer, then you will go with the USB 001. If you have many printers, then you can go with the USB 002 or 3. In my case, I am selecting USB 002 because I have two printers. It is installing the drivers now, so you will have to wait. It is done. So the printer has been successfully installed. Click on OK and click on Start button and click on Settings. Go to the printers page and we are going to check whether it is installed or not. Click on Devices. Settings page, click on Devices. After that, click on Printer and Scanners from the left side pane. All the printers will be listed here. Look at the second last one. TVS MSP 450 star printer has been installed successfully. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.